Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix lag or lag spikes and latency on your PS5. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, then go to users and accounts, then on users and accounts go to other, and here restore licenses, right? And after that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then another thing that you need to do here, you need to go to network, then you need to go to settings, set up internet connection, then select your internet provider, and then press options button, right? Then here on Wi-Fi frequency bands, if you're using Wi-Fi and your router is not far away from your PS5, make sure to use 5 gigahertz only. But if your router, for example, in another floor, in another room, it's quite far from your PS5, use 2.4 because it will be more stable internet connection, and if it's stable, then lag spikes should be gone, right? So it's completely up to you. If the router is next to you, 5 gigahertz, if they're far away, 2.4, right? And then go to advanced settings. Then you need to go to DNS settings, change it to manual, and then use here. What you need to do here is to change primary DNS settings, and here you need to write first, just test it out Google once, 8.8.8.8, and on secondary DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4, right, and apply the changes, right? And if you're still getting lag spikes, then here on primary should be all 8s, I'm sorry. And if you're still getting lag spikes, then try this one, that is 1.1.1.1, and on secondary is, let's delete that, it's 1.0.0.1, right? And look if the problem persists. And also, if the problem persists, then go to MTU settings, and on MTU settings, make sure to do manual. And then if you're getting stable internet connection, like always, make sure to do 1500. But if you're not getting stable internet connection here or internet speed, what I suggest you to do here is to basically make it to here 473, and if you're getting still lag spikes, then make it, and your internet is not that stable, make it to 1450, right? And your lag spike should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it.